Hey guys, this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and in this video we are going to buy a domain from Namecheap. Namecheap, as the name saying, the domain is really cheap. And you can go to hithanhdotcom/namecheap and then make sure you use the code COM598, COM598 to buy a domain.com at $598 only. First of all, you need to have a domain name in mind, and I have some recommendation for you. Your domain name should be at .com or .net or .co. But I think the most popular one is .com. So find the one which is matching your niche. Also, if you buy a domain with the keywords of the niche you are working in, it helps in ranking in Google. For example, if I want to rank for the keyword Infinity Processing System Review, I can buy this domain. Then you can hit search. Here you will see the price. First year is $10.28, and after that I have to pay $13.98. Go add to cart. Check out. Now remember, we have the promo code COM598 and then you can hit apply. However, this promo code is only working for new user only, and you can only get one domain. So just take advantage of this. Now hit confirm order. Check out with PayPal. Once you pay it, then you own the domain. Just wait for a bit before they can confirm the order, and then we can see the confirmation in our email. So that's it. It's really easy. Once you buy it successfully, the domain will show in your dashboard. So that is really easy. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And you can connect with me on my Facebook at hithanhdotcom/Facebook. This is Sydney from hithanhdotcom. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.